Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nes. If you are new to this channel, I offer a lot of products review, specifically for footwear, but sometime here and there I will sneak into apparel review as well. This is my first time ever that I own a leather jacket outside of Short NYC because I own multiple Short NYC leather jacket. I don't really look outside of Short NYC because the quality on Short NYC is really good compared to the other brand. Sometimes when I go window shopping, I will check leather jacket, compare the price and also the detail and the quality of that leather jacket to the high-end brand. It's just not really there. They just so overpriced, you know. That's why I don't really get any other brand leather jacket. This one though is the Allsaints Milo biker leather jacket with the contemporary fit compared to the one I have from Short NYC, the 618 model. That one is a little bit classic fit. The sizing on this though is XS. It fit me like I'm wearing somebody else leather jacket, especially on the sleeve though, always long. That is how it is for a short guys. I guess I gotta accept it. And this leather jacket is made out of lamb skin. Lamb skin is very light compared to cowhide, and also you don't have to break it down. This is like you can wear up the bed when you just bought this leather jacket. Compared to the Short NYC, it's a cowhide. You have to break it in on the leather jacket. The one from Short NYC is just so heavy. Sometimes when I wear them, I feel like I'm wearing a body armor. And in the middle of this leather jacket, as you know, traditional biker leather jacket, they have asymmetrical zipper and they have two zipper pull for two-way zip. And this zipper though, the quality is not so bad. Also they have side zipper pocket. This zipper pocket though, I'm not really a fan of because they expose the zipper T. Unlike the one from Short NYC, they actually have hidden on the side pocket zipper. And also in the torso of this leather jacket though, it's more like a straight down. They not really have the slim fit into your rib cage and flare out a little bit. Some other designer though, brand biker leather jacket, the coin pocket is not actually a pocket. They just basically have a flap just for a detail purposes, but they're not really functional. But this one is actually functional, you know. They have a pocket there. And also go to the waist area, they don't have the belt buckle. They basically have these two for detail, you know, again with this just the strip and with the metal snap. That pretty much on this leather jacket. I don't know what else you can do this. Maybe you just use a regular belt and insert into this belt loop, I guess. I don't know what that for. Maybe you can tell me in the comment below in the comment sections, because I don't see there's a point for this. And on the cup they have the zipper pull as well with the gusses. The one that kind of weird to me is this metal snap in the collar. This one, it doesn't really have the yin and yang, you know, like more like a male and a female. I think it's just for also aesthetic, or they try to reduce the price of the products. And in the shoulder they don't have the strap. Maybe this is more like a modern look compared to the traditional look. They often have the strap, you know, on the shoulder. And in the back of this leather jacket though, is not really what I expected. The pattern that they cut is more like a pattern of the denim jacket than a biker leather jacket. Maybe they just have a little bit twist, you know. In the front is the biker leather jacket. In the back they have more like a denim jacket aesthetic. And inside of this leather jacket at the lining, they have two side pockets in the left and in the right. Lining material, they use polyester, and also it's really thin fabric. It doesn't have like padded compared to the one from Short NYC. They have padded and insulations, so I don't think this leather jacket is good for the winter time, you know. The leather jacket that I got from Short NYC, I can wear it in the winter time and also in the fall. And the first thing that I would give this leather jacket compliment is the smell is really good. The pricing though, for $600, I don't think it's worth it, you know, for this jacket. If you go to Short NYC and yourself, you can get a jacket for $300 with the great quality leather jackets too. Compared to this, is a little bit overpriced. Also, like the quality of this leather is not really there. You know, if I put the leather jacket side by side with Short NYC, this one is just far behind. Even though the pricing is not too much different, like $100 or $200 different for the leather jacket. You should try on a lot of different branches, not just focus on Short NYC alone. I know Short NYC, they have great history, great quality, but may not for everybody, you know. Maybe for me, because I'm more focused on the quality of the leather jacket. I mean, the fit is important too, but this fit doesn't really feel it. When you put a leather jacket on, you need to feel like confidence, you know. But this one, I feel like, you know, that's how I feel like. I'm not hating on a brand, but it is how it is. Allsaints is actually my first brand ever that I introduced me to the more expensive stuff. Because when my first time that I saw Allsaints store in Soho, I was amazed about their products and the quality, especially leather good, like leather boot or leather jacket. But now, like when I look at Allsaints product, it just feel sad. The quality is not there like it used to be anymore. So styling with this biker leather jacket, I don't know if I'm doing good, but I think I'm doing okay with the styling with this biker leather jacket. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I would like to style them. So there you go. This is my review leather jacket from Allsaints. What do you think about this Baker leather jacket for $600? To me, in my opinion, you need to have more patience when you shop leather products, especially leather jacket, because you want that leather jacket last for a lifetime, and also the quality of the leather is very important, not the brand, the quality of the leather and the quality of the zipper tee and also the zipper pull. That is very major important things in a leather jacket, you know. It's just the fit feel very good, you know, because they make our lambskin. And if you like one of the look in this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week and I can wait to share with you guys. I'm out.